Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a DEWALT 14-piece assorted black and gold drill bit set. This is a sponsored video by Lowe's, and I want to thank them for gifting this to me to do a review on. So these bits are actually very unusual. They have on the shank, they have 3 flats to prevent shank spinning, which is important, a durable stronger core, which is important, and also a precision split point for no walking. So that's really important as well. So let's get to the review. Let's take a look at these bits and let's go. Now today I'm looking at a product from DEWALT. This was gifted to me by Lowe's. Again, this is a sponsored video by Lowe's Home Improvement. They did send this to me as a gift and to do a review and an unboxing and show you what this is. So this is a really cool set. This is a drill set. Black and gold. This is my first time owning this type of bit set. I've had some old ones and some general ones, but this is a different for me. Very interesting. It comes in this tough case. I can see the case here. It says tough case plus. So tough case plus means basically you can buy these cases and stack them, which is kind of cool. I like that. So if you buy different bit sizes, different bit configurations, there are different things you can just stack them, and which is kind of cool. So let's cut this open and take a look at this, and just going to show you a little bit about this, talk about the technology and how this works. This is a blunt split point bit. And that's how this is designed to help you with your when you're first drilling into either wood or not even wood, really metal. So stop the slippage. That's what it's about. I got my little cutter here to open this package up. Get that right open. This is my favorite thing to do. This saves so much time on your hands. At that, and zip this side here. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you are new, I do appreciate you stopping by and watching this review. I do all types of reviews, tech, how-to, unboxings, just a little bit of everything to teach you and give you education and knowledge. So if you're enjoying this type of content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right there. Like and share the video. I do appreciate that. It means the world to me. Thank you so much. And there will be a link for this product right here. It is an affiliate link. I do get a small commission that costs you nothing. Just to be transparent and honest, I'm just here to give you some education and information. And if you're interested, go right ahead and purchase it. It takes you right there. And also in the description below, the links will be there as well. So let's get this open. Okay, so let's open this up. And let's take it out of the package. Put this to the side. First impressions, again, this is my first time with this type of quality bit. Very heavy, number one. These are some serious bits. These are not to be fooled around with. These are serious looking bits. This is the case. To lock it, you just put it up like that. There, you lock it and snap it, just like you see here. And they interlock. So if you have other ones, you can see how they have these little latches here. They'll lock and stack. So you can stack these cases. Really cool. And they're supposed to be very tough. I guess they seem tough to me. I mean, that's supposed to be a tough case. I mean, that's pretty tough. I mean, I'm dropping this, let's say 7 feet. No problem. So it definitely is tough. I can see it's a very tough case. Not opening up, not snapping open. Really nice quality. Let's open this up. Take a look at the bits. Now the black and the gold, the way they're made is very specific, and they give you a lot of information online. But I'm just going to go over them real quickly. The idea behind this. This is coated with the black oxide. It helps reduce friction, and reduces heat, and actually increases the longevity of the bits. And that's the technology behind that. So really super cool, nice quality. As you can see here, really heavy duty. I tell you that you really have to really hold it in your hand to really appreciate. This is nice quality, nice quality bit. So let's take a look out. Let's take a look at the large one so we can just see it together in the set. This is the 1/2 inch the drill. The actual bit itself, and you can see here how it is. It says it right here. Hopefully you can see that. It says 1/2 inch right there. It's clearly marked. And on the shank, it's tapered. See how the shank is tapered like that there? So what's designed to do is to give you maximum grip. So no slippage. That's super important when you're drilling. It's nothing worse than having the thing just spin on you. It's quite annoying. So this gives you maximum grippage. That's what I was saying. And you can see the shank, how it's just tapered. You can just see that all around here. Now, mostly it won't. This would normally not fit in a normal size drill. I have one right here, and let's just see how it fits. It should fit no problem. Just slide right in there, crank it out, and there you go. And that fits no problem whatsoever. It does fit in your 3/8 chuck, no issue whatsoever. No problem fitting, as you can see. Nice quality bit. I want you to take a look at the top of this bit here. You can see. If you can hardly see the angle, but it has how it's done on top there, so it grabs just a little bit and helps with the cut. You can use wood, plastic, or metal on this, like I said. And this is really, and I like the look of this set. So big, beefy, strong. You can just see this is super well made. Not a cheap bit whatsoever. So this one goes from 1/16 all the way up to 1/2 inch in this specific tray here. There is a slot up here that you can put a couple extra bits here as well. This is slotted right here, so a couple extra slots you can put there as well. It is see-through, which is nice, so you can see what's in the box, which I like that as well. And all around heavy-duty construction. So I want to thank Lowe's Home Improvement for sponsoring this video and gifting this to me to show you what they have in their store. I like all their quality. I love their tools. And this is just another tool that they do carry in the store, and I absolutely think it's a fantastic quality drill bit. Again, all high-end quality stuff here. You can't go wrong with this. I mean, there's different bits, of course. This is a smaller kit. I don't need a ton when it comes to drilling, but I do need the different size configurations, and I think it makes a difference. And here's another bit here. Now, the smaller ones are all rounded. You want these to be tapered in the larger size. All the larger sizes are tapered on the shaft. Okay, let's just see how if the smallest one here, the 3/6 7/32, that's tapered, and this one is not. Okay, these are sharp, guys. I mean, these are really sharp. You got to be careful. These are not dull. These are very, very sharp. Again, love the case. You can stack them, pack them, lift them, and take them with you. There's double cases. You can stack these all together. It's just fantastic. I absolutely love these. If you have any questions or any comments, leave down below. Let me know if you have something like this, if you like it, if you enjoy it. Leave some comments. That really helps me out quite a bit. Also, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. There will be a link down below in the description. It is an affiliate link. And again, it is from Lowe's Home Improvement. They did sponsor this video, and they did send me these to do a review and just talk to you about these real quick. I'm going to do a quick test on this. I want to drill in some wood and just take a quick look and see how that works. Let's do that right now. Large 1/2 inch bit here. I'm just going to drill right through this. I'm just going to see how fast it goes through, and I want to give you my impression on the how just resistance, heat, things like that. So let's take a quick look at that real quick. Let's get this in here. Wow, that thing ripped through that thing like butter. Look at that. Look at that. That's a huge hole, guys. Check this out. I should have my bit on my drill on 22 on the I could have had that on lock, but either way, it's fine. It drilled right through there like butter. Check this out. That's a 1/2 inch hole in no time at all. Check that out. That is crazy fast. You can see here, right there. So it definitely works well. Does what it says. Super sharp. Made a nice little pile of wood. Definitely highly recommend this. Nice kit. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed the demonstration. Again, I appreciate your time as always. Don't forget to watch all these other videos. Check out this other unboxing. Check out this battery I just reviewed. Fantastic with cobalt batteries. Check out that link over here, and definitely the way to go. Appreciate it. Thank you so much for sending this to me, and have a great day, and hope you enjoy this review.